ayun, for today's video, so we're going to have a shopping haul. Yeah, shopping haul. Yes guys, i-haul natin yung mga items na pinamili ko. Pagpapasok ako ng mall, may bibilihin akong items and then I said to myself that I will do a shopping haul. So, yun siya guys. Naipon ko siya. So, sabi ko, I will not touch these items until I will make a vlog for this. Yes. And I want to, arrange this stuff. Yeah. So, now this is the day for me for this vlog para ma-arrange ko na to and I need those things. So, luckily guys, I decided to set this day today para makapag-vlog tayo. Shopping haul again. Yeah, this is not the first time na nag-vlog ako ng haul sa aking channel. And yes, I just want to share with you for the stuff that I used to, yung mga pinamimili ko na yung mga items na that I really used. And some of this is the first time ko siya magamit or first time ko siya nabili. If you used to do shopping or you used to do a groceries like weekly or monthly or you own a store, I'll suggest to you. Anyway guys, may apologize if you can hear like yes guys, it's the surroundings and I apologize for that. This is Advantage card and I have here Watson's card. Yes guys, I advise to you if you like purchase a lot, you can have this card. While you are spending, you earn from it. Like, your earning points and then it will be accumulated into like cash points is equivalent to cash. Sanitize na tayo ng kamay. I'll show you something guys. Ganito ako lumabas. Bawal lumabas na walang mask and face shield because it's a requirements guys. Huhulihin ka ng authority pag hindi ka nakamask if you were in the public places. I'm wearing like this. Ganito siya guys. I'm using this disposable mask and then I have this face shield. Ganyan ako pag lumalabas ako guys, or sometimes I double my mask. Ganito siya, like this. So ganun yung itsura ko pag lumalabas ako guys. Meron akong, ito siya, meron akong stock dito, always sa bag ko. Shopping haul na naman. Ang uimot eh. Bango niya. It's refreshing. It's simple sanitizer, guys. So, kasali pa ba to? I need this one. And I bought stick on this one. Cardboard. And I have this cleaning pad. I'm long time using this item, guys. It's Downy Anti-Bac fabric conditioner, and this one, this washing paste, and wait, here, lalabas na lang siya since it's food. Ilalagay natin dito. If you used to buy this kind of items, very important, you have to check the expiration date, and I used to check as well the nutrition facts. But for the items that I usually use it like for day to day, I don't need to review the nutritional facts. Only the expiration date, guys. It's very important. I used to buy like a year or 2 years before the expiration. So, cooking oil. I have here olive oil, guys. Gusto kong magluto like soupe, vegetable adobo. I used to put oil, so I will use this. I have this. It's best for appetizer. And guys, I bought oyster sauce kasi mahilig tayo magluto. I have silver swan. It's very safe here. Hindi siya mababasa, guys. Egg yung laman niya. Again, fold. And yes. MX3 coffee, guys. Antioxidant coffee. It's a mangosteen coffee, guys. It's cookies, oatmeal, like I have here biscuits, cheese flavor with onion and mayonnaise, noodles, spicy, spicy, no, cheesy seafood flavor. It seems like I have a mini store. But no, it's just for the snacks. I have here steak oat, Oreo wafer roll, biscuits with omega-3. It's a vegan white rice. I have black rice. And you have to soak this for 30 minutes at least, and then put water. Double the measure of the rice. I mix this one with black rice, corned beef. I got tissue. I'll use this for my beauty vlog. Like I use this to top my lips when I'm using lipstick. I really love this and recommend this to you. It's cheap as well, like 68 pesos. This is the smallest of this soup. Beauche mirror in the wall. It's a mirror, guys. It's Paganini collection. Yeah, I will use this for my beauty vlog. Oh. I really look for this pouch here because I will put all of my makeup brushes here. Like I want to organize one Silka. It's very less amount of this PF, guys. It's only 6, but I love this lotion. This one, Escanol Facial Cleanser. You will expect this item in my beauty vlog. It's more on katikayan. I have here Fill Up Mask from Megan, and this one, clip sa buhok. Oh, this. I experienced something not good in my eyes. I used to be in front of my phones, like I spend a lot of time, maybe because of the radiation. I use this for my lips. When I was on board, I'm using this as my whole body lotion. Because the coldness in Europe country, guys, it will make my skin so dry and it helps. When I was in Caribbean, I used the white one, the soft one. When I was in Europe, I used the blue one. Ooh, EB Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain. This is my first time to use this because I'm using Nichido. My favorite one. Hands. Ang hirap itong hanapin, guys. Like, kung nakakakita ako ng ganito, I used to buy 2, 3 to 4 pieces kasi mabilis siyang maubos. I've been to 3 stores, walang stock. So, most of the time, pag bibili ako ng ganito, kumukuha ako ng maramihan. So, I have, stocks. Again, from Caroline. Yeah, expect this in my beauty vlog. Your makeup remover. This is more on katikayan pa rin. It's not my first time to use this brand. I got this because I love the first one. Oh, Colgate. I'm using this since birth joke. I'm using this since I was in elementary and I love this shampoo. Sunsilk. Neutrogena. This is my first time to use this, guys. This is a bit expensive than the other brand that I'm using. I wanna try this one. I badly love this, but I unexpectedly have my hair cut. So reserved. It will grow so fast because I'm using products for my hair, like a natural product, guys, and I will share that to you as well. Nichido, I bought 2 pieces, guys. You know why? Because not all the time it has a stocks for this. I've been to the mall like 3 times and I asked for this one. This shade, most of the time, it's out of stock. So I bought 2 pieces. We got this last bag. So let's open. What's inside? More on brushes, guys. Look at this. Makeup brush. Drielle. From Drielle, guys. This one is from Belina. It's 185 and the other one 195 and 165. But guys, it's 50% off. So that's why I go for this. Chocolate palette. So watch out in my beauty vlog. I got a new brush. Powder brush from Belina. And this one, I have Belina eyeliner. It's too much, girl. Maybelline fit me. Watch out sooner in my beauty vlog. And Show makeup. It's 3-in-1. We're done with these items. So I need to sort this, you know, messy here. It's so messy. I mess up. So I have to arrange this. And yes. Yeah, we're done. And for the next vlog, guys, we'll be having a product review for some of these items. We'll open this parcel from Lazada and this Omni mini fan. We'll be having a review for that. And yes, I hope you enjoy this vlog and thank you so much for watching this. And I love you all. Until the next vlog, keep safe. God bless.